carnival time. Carnival, eh? Carnival from Hobbii. So I'm not going to give you a price for this down below because they are constantly in and out of sale. Now these, I got a couple of balls of this. They were given to me as a happy mail, and oh my gosh, it looks so amazing. It feels amazing. If you've used Stylecraft Signet Boho Spirit or Stylecraft, oh my gosh, I can't even think of the flipping name of it, and I've only just had it in my mind. Oh heavens, I can't think what it's called. It might come to me during this, I don't know, but it's pretty much the same. It is silky, it is soft, there is fuzz, which is worrying. It also looks like it's going to do a lot of twisting on itself, which I'm not an overly keen fan of, but we're here to give it a go. So let's take it out. So it's 100 grams, 240 meters, or 262 yards, roughly. They're saying to use a 4 to a 4.5 needle or hook. I'm using Beany today. She's a 4mm. It's a 3 lightweight. And this colour is 06. 100% premium acrylic. So as you can see with this particular one, we have royal blue. We have a medium to dark grey. We have a silvery grey. And we have a lovely turquoise. Now, where's the start? That's what I want to know. Where's the start? Probably amongst all this yarn bath. Cabaret. Stylecraft Cabaret. I told you it might come to me. My brain, it works sometimes, you know. Okay. So, it's not overly a brilliant start, is it? But we'll see. This got me excited when I got this as Happy Mail. This was, ooh, I like it. But I haven't used it yet. I have it in a project bag waiting to be made into something. But as you can see, I haven't yet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Let's do 2 more just for the fun of it, and a row of single crochets. But before we do, there is no stretch on that at all, no elasticity at all. It is what it is. Okay. As expected, it feels quite nice on the working hand. I sense the twisting already. Twist. I can feel it twisting as it's going through my hand. That could be quite problematic. Again, the boho spirit and the Stylecraft Cabaret do exactly the same thing, and it's quite infuriating because you end up with a lot of that going on, which isn't much fun to work with. Oops, sorry, Beany hit you. And one more. And there's a lot of fuzz in a very, very small space. There's a lot of fuzz. Okay. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. So doing the half double row. I think I better keep it to just one row of each rather than two, because I am sensing problems with frogging. I also sense a problem with yarn bath in the same respect, again, as Cabaret and Boho Spirit. Both of them are pretty bad when it comes to yarn bath. This, it keeps splitting. Stop splitting on me. It's supposed to be giving you a good review. Yeah, and it's done it again. It's just, my hook is catching on the fluff, the fluffy fuzz, and it's causing, can you see that? Yeah, that's not good. That's not good. So Hobbii are always putting something on sale, and then it'll come off for a week or two, and then it'll go back onto sale again at a slightly different sale price, whether that be higher or lower than the previous. So I could tell you how much it is today, but by tomorrow it probably won't be. And of course you can buy Hobbii yarn from eBay and Etsy as well, but as it's Hobbii yarn, Hobbii, I would only be advertising it down below as Hobbii. I mean, look at that, look, this is the, it's twisting itself, and I think it's just knotted itself as well. Oh, not quite. Look at the twist. That's not good. The stitch definition is okay. It's definitely a thicker fabric, but it would have a really nice drape on it worked up. It's lovely and silky and soft. And yes, I'd be okay with that on my skin. I'd be perfectly fine with that on my skin. Frogging. Oh, it's catching. Oh, it's catching. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. This ain't so good, huh? I think I'm going to have to cut it, you know? Or just do that. Solves everything, doesn't it? Well, Hobbii Carnival. What can I say about you? Really? What can I say about you? Let's put Beany up there. Would I turn my back on it completely? No, I don't think I would. Would I be extremely annoyed that what I was after wasn't anywhere in the shop and they only had this and that would have to do, so, oh, fine, I'll get it then. I think I'm going to do a 2.5. The fact that it is twisting on itself is a big no-no for me. The fact that it is horrible to frog because of the amount of fuzz on it. You see that? It's a big no-no for me. Yes, it feels nice and silky and it looks beautifully metallic and lovely on the ball, but to work with it, yeah, I think I'd just sit there and rock myself. Find a happy place, find a happy place. 2.5 is all you're getting, I'm afraid, Carnival. You're pretty, you're soft, but you ain't a cup of tea. So that is my personal review. If it's any help whatsoever, please give a thumbs up down below. And down there is possibly a big red button. If you haven't subscribed already, click the big red button. Doing reviews all the time and stitch tutorials, as well as plenty of giveaways. Hopefully, I'll see you around soon. Take care. Bye-bye.